Hey everyone! Welcome back to Home Decor 101, where we break down the best home styles to help you create a space that you love. Today we're talking about two totally different but equally iconic home decor styles, Hollywood Regency and Cottage home decor. One is all about glitz, glamour, and drama, while the other is warm, cozy, and inviting. But which one is right for you? Join me, let's break it down. So first off, what is Hollywood Regency? The ultimate style of luxury and drama. Think old Hollywood glamour from the 1930s and 40s, inspired by the golden age of film. So if you love bold statements, high contrast, and a touch of extravagance, this style is all for you. So let's go over some Hollywood Regency must-haves. 1. High gloss finishes, mirrored furniture, lacquered surfaces, and lots of shine, lots of glitz, lots of just over the top. Now you're also going to need some bold color palettes, black and white, emerald green, deep blues, and lots of metallics, especially gold and silver. You're also going to need some plush fabrics, velvet sofas, silk drapes, faux fur throws, just luxury at its ultimate finest. Don't forget the dramatic lighting, crystal chandeliers, gold sconces, and statement lamps. And you also want your space to have a bit of Art Deco influence, so geometric patterns, curved furniture, and symmetrical designs. Everything that you would kind of think of when you think of Art Deco home decor. So if you want to see Hollywood Regency in action, look at iconic hotels like the Beverly Hills Hotel. It's the perfect mix of Regency glam and Art Deco charm. I have been there actually the last time that I was in LA, and I can say I love that hotel and I love that decor style. So let's switch it up a bit and talk about what is cottage home decor. Let's talk about the cozy, welcoming world that is cottage. It's inspired by charming countryside homes, filled with character, softness, and just a lived-in feel. If you love a space that feels relaxed, vintage, and effortlessly cozy, this is your style. And actually, since we're talking about it, let's go over some cottage home decor must-haves. For this style, we're going to go for soft, muted color palettes. So whites, creams, soft blues, sage greens, and really warm neutrals. We're also going to utilize a lot of natural materials, wood, rattan, linen, and cotton. Just adds just a touch of rustic to your home. Hey, speaking of that, we're also going to talk about vintage and repurposed furniture, a mix of antique finds, distressed finishes, and handmade items. Of course, you're also going to see some floral and checkered patterns, classic cozy vibes for sure. You may also see open shelving and display pieces. That way you can show off your favorite books, ceramics, and plants. So where can you see the perfect cottage decor? Check out the Cotswolds in England, where historic homes are brimming with this aesthetic. So I've described which each style is, so let's talk about some of the differences. But with these two styles especially, I think it's pretty easy to tell them apart. So first off, the color palette. Hollywood Regency is bold and dramatic, whereas cottage home decor is just really soft, understated, and muted. So what really sets Hollywood Regency and cottage home decor apart? Well, for starters, Hollywood Regency is all about making a statement. Remember, this is old Hollywood. We're about the glam, the glamour. We are about coming into a room and making a statement, right? That's what a lot of actors did back then, and a lot of actors now, really. It's bold, dramatic, and filled with high contrast color palettes like black and white, deep emerald greens, really rich, luxurious blues, and of course, lots of gold and silver. The furniture is sleek, is mirrored, and it has a polished, almost glamorous hotel-like feel. On the other hand, cottage home decor leans into warmth and softness. You're going to see those muted, subdued colors, the neutral tones like whites, creams, soft blues, and warm wood finishes. The furniture is often vintage or repurposed, which makes it a little bit easier to acquire this style because you don't have to buy a lot of pieces brand new. Cottage decor also loves natural textures. Think linen slip-covered sofas, wooden farmhouse tables, and cozy cotton throws. And instead of dramatic lighting, you're going to find really warm, inviting features like wrought iron sconces and woven rattan pendants. So all in all, if you love the idea of bold, luxurious, and high contrast spaces that feel like a movie set, Hollywood Regency might be your style. But if you're drawn to really soft living, an inviting room when someone steps in, and really nostalgic spaces that may or may not remind you of your grandmother, cottage decor is the way to go. The question is, which one speaks to your soul? So let's now talk about how to bring these looks into your home. Whether you're going full on Regency glam or embracing a cozy cottage, here's where to start. For Hollywood Regency, start with statement furniture, a velvet sofa or a mirrored coffee table. A lot of the furniture that we may see in a glam home decor style, you can absolutely use for Hollywood Regency. Sometimes I think with glam we see a lot of silver mirrored pieces. However, for Hollywood Regency, you can definitely add in some gold. I just feel like gold looks a little more luxurious. You'll also use some high contrast colors. We've talked about this, the jewel tones, the black and white patterns, the things that really stand out. You are also going to accessorize with luxury, gold decor, crystal chandeliers, and really bold in-your-face artwork. Now you can generally find this style at Z Gallery, Wayfair, CB2, and vintage stores for art deco pieces. On the other hand, for cottage decor, remember we're going for those warm neutral tones. We're going to see a lot of white washed wood, cream textiles. You're also going to bring in some vintage charm, so thrifted furniture, antique decor. If you pass a garage sale that has some really unique pieces, stop and get a few. We're also going to want to bring nature inside. Woven baskets, fresh flowers, and botanical prints. Now, you're going to find this style at Etsy, Target, Magnolia Market, and various antique shops. So I know this was a really quick spiel on each one, but there you have it. Hollywood Regency versus cottage home decor. Two totally different vibes, but both absolutely stunning in their own way. So let me know in the comments section which one speaks to you, which one speaks to your soul, which one speaks to your style. I am so interested in knowing which would be the more popular of the two. Also, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more home decor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating. And remember, no matter if you lean more so towards Hollywood Regency or cottage home decor, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a sense of gratitude. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.